Hey, this is Eric with CAD Avenue with another quick video covering what's new in AViCAD 2022. One of the nice things about this new version is the support of dynamic blocks. So AViCAD has the ability to open and read existing dynamic block libraries, although it doesn't have the ability yet to create those dynamic blocks. But there are quite a few websites out there. Just explore around that you'll be able to find loads and loads of dynamic block libraries, either for sale or free. So this opens up a nice window to a lot of possibilities out there. And as you may know, AViCAD fully supports Autocad files, so if you're working with somebody with dynamic blocks, you'll be able to take advantage and use those dynamic blocks as well. So here we have on the left the dynamic block of a stair run, and then on the right a dynamic block of a double door. So let's have a look at this. So if we click on it, we're going to get several options. This style of an arrow as compared to this style of an arrow. This will actually flip the stair run on the top side 360 degrees. This one will just take the arrow and move the arrow with the text. Now in this case over here, we can take this arrow and actually add risers to this run here. And then this option here allows us to do single stair runs or double runs and turn those off and on. For example, I can just choose the arrow on for a single stair rail, and that just shows this by itself. Or we can turn the rails on in this example. I think you get the idea of the power of a well-designed dynamic block. Now you have the choice to kind of fiddle with these and download ones off the web as you see fit. In this example, we have several options. We can change the width of our double door. We can, for example, turn the swing off, and here we can change it to, let's say, a single door, and turn our jamb off if needed. So as you can see, dynamic blocks offer a lot of possibilities. So I just wanted to do this quick video and get it off this week to those of you interested in the upcoming features inside AViCAD. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you in the next video.